Stomp. Stomp for me. Good job. Can you spin? Can you spin? Show me spinning. Good job. Oh, you fell down. Can you spin? Maybe spin without the milk. Okay. Can you clap? Clap. Yay! Stomp. Can you spin? That doesn't count. Can you spin? Like, I am busy drinking my milk, people. There you go. Good job.